Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abby, and today what we're going to discuss is one of my properties that I recently got, and this one is based in Leeds. Yes, I said it, Leeds, Leeds. But yeah guys, it's based in Leeds. So basically, this specific property was unfurnished. Literally guys, it took me 2 days to fully furnish the property. But obviously with my team members, because I never stepped foot in that house. But before we get started guys, add me on Instagram, it's Oniru. Subscribe to my channel, turn that bell notification on so you get alerted every Wednesday at 7 PM when I post. So let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to discuss the property that I have in Leeds. This specific property, what I did was, obviously I don't physically go to these properties. I have teams that go out for me and then just basically do it. So one of my team members, I basically got him to go out there and get as much great bargains as we can. The specific budget on the house, I believe we spent in total around, let's say, £800. Yes guys, £800. So this one's a 3-bed. This specific 3-bed, I believe I have to pay the landlord £900 a month, which is perfect. This house is lovely, it's modern. What I'm going to show you is the first clip on how the house looked, and then the end result and how I was able to do it in such a short period of time. And guys, this is the beauty of working remotely and not physically having to do it yourself. Just see yourself as the mastermind behind everything and having a team around you to obviously tell them what to do and how to do it, and also do some due diligence for your end about the great bargains and where to get it. But guys, I'm going to show you now. So excited to show you. Let's go. Okay guys, so as you can see, you saw the before. So this property came unfurnished. I hardly do unfurnished properties, but this one, it had so much potential, and I personally believe, because I've got obviously the funds to like literally furnish up the place, because I know the potential it could bring me in profit, I thought, why not, you know? So what you can see now is basically the house is nice and empty. It's got so much spacing. What I did was I got one of my PAs, I got them to travel there. Obviously paid for the hotel and things and the travel. And basically he did everything within 2 days. And then on the 3rd day, I got my photographer to come and take pictures. Literally, guys, no lie, like it was literally, he had like 6 hours to, you know, source me certain things, because basically I remember I spoke to him in the night time saying, literally, I've got this still, blah blah blah, I need someone to go up and lead. So I was like, yeah, I'm down. And then he basically done it. And this is the beauty, once again, from working from home, because you don't physically need to be there. When you have a team, they will do the things for you. All you need to be is the mastermind behind it. So essentially, you don't need to stress yourself. Guys, the amount of properties that I have, do you really think I personally have time to be going up and down? Of course not. And this is why, as you start scaling your business, you start hiring people, and you paying for their daily salary, it don't really affect you, because you know you're still having obviously money coming in, of course, and also at the same time, you're doing it for a reason, you know? So yeah, so guys, literally, the next video you're gonna see the after, and this is of the professional, beautiful photos. I'm so excited to show you guys. I was so happy with the work. Here's my guy that I always use. He's incredible. Yeah, so guys, check it out. Okay guys, I hope you loved the after. I am so proud of myself with what, and my team of course, of what we actually accomplished in such a short period of time. And by the way guys, as I'm saying my team, there was only one man who done this whole thing. He's obviously my main person in my team. There are obviously other people in my team, but this specific person who went there, it was a one-man job. And the fact that you could do so much from one person, never ever limit yourself. We did this within 2 days. Obviously he did all the running about, which I'm so grateful for, but we literally did this in 2 days. We got the professional pictures on the 3rd day. Everything went as planned, and I just want to thank God for the fact that, now look what he's doing. That literally is amazing. But yeah guys, I'm so excited with this specific property in Leeds. And guys, by the way, I didn't even say what I'm using it for. This specific property, I'm actually using it as a service accommodation. Service accommodation, yeah. So guys, concluding to everything today, I just want to show you there is so much you could do in one day, in one sit down. Just believe in yourself and just start taking action. And also guys, if you loved what you saw today, make sure you add me on Instagram, Oniru, subscribe to my channel, turn that bell notification on so you get alerted every Wednesday at 7 p.m. when I post. And guys, once again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.